Today, I'll make some baked redfish with the Parmesan and cracker crumb crust, and also gonna make some okra and make a shrimp and vegetable stir fry. Okay, I got a couple of cups of homemade crushed cracker crumbs, unsalted. A couple of cups of milk. About a teaspoon of salt, add to that. Some pepper, not much, I'm going to put paprika. Some people like the pepper. Half a teaspoon, I got more than what they had. A teaspoon of paprika. Quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to use more Parmesan cheese because I have a lot of fish. I like some opaque. Some garlic. I got about a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to add some olive oil to this. Cover the bottom pretty good. Make sure you get all that moisture off the fish. Now you dip your fillet into some milk. Some people use buttermilk or eggs, egg wash. You put it in your breadcrumb Parmesan mix. Get it on there pretty good. Put it in your baking pan. Get them good and breaded, or this is cracker crumbs and Parmesan cheese. I'm going to put the thicker ones on one side and keep them separate because the thin ones are going to cook quicker. So I got to keep an eye on that. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my okra. Give it a little crust. Bake that okra about 7 minutes on each side, maybe not that long. Now you need to watch your time on this, because the okra and these thin slices of redfish are going to cook quicker at different times. Alright. Okay, I'm going to get the fish and okra started in a preheated oven to 350 degrees. And then I'm going to go ahead and start my stir fry. I got to watch this and turn the okra every 5 minutes or so or more, and I got to watch the redfish, the thinner pieces, so I don't overcook them. It's been about 5 minutes. Turn this okra over. Yeah, I'm not going to show the whole thing of turning over the okra. Like I said, these thinner pieces of fish are ready. It's crumbling, flaking. That one's ready. These thin ones are ready. I'll leave the thicker ones a little longer. And the okra another 5 minutes. I'm going to turn it down to 300. Give it another 5 minutes. Okay, I got my pan ready for a stir fry. Add some butter. I'm going to add the shrimp first. I want to cook the shrimp about 70%. Get it to where it's just starting to turn opaque. I don't want to cook it all the way. I'm going to add some lemon juice. Salt and pepper. Garlic. Toss the shrimp. Okay, now I'm going to remove the shrimp because it's not quite done, but I don't want it cooked all the way. I need to check on the okra and fish. It's probably done now. The fish are done. I'm going to let the okra cook a little longer. They don't look all that great, but they're going to taste good. Okra's pretty tough. Fish is done. Now I'm going to finish my stir fry and then come back and check the okra. Okay, now I'm going to add my vegetables to the stir fry. I'll put about a cup of green bell peppers. A cup of celery, sliced up. And a mixture of yellow and green zucchini. Some mushrooms, sliced mushrooms. A little more garlic. Turn the heat up a little. Salt and pepper. Keep it stirred, cook it for a few minutes. Get the vegetables cooked most of the way. Now it's nice and steaming. I'll cover it for about a minute. Leave a little air space for the steam to get out. Okay, now I'm going to add the shrimp back in and finish adding all the, mixing the flavors and finish cooking the shrimp. All right. Everything looks finished. All done. Oven baked redfish, stir fry, okra. Taste test. Flakes right off. Cracker crumbs give it that crunch and that crust. Parmesan cheese is coming through, tasty. Shrimp. It's got the seafood, a good seafood taste with the vegetables. Mushrooms absorbed all that great taste. Okra's done. Got that cracker crumb and Parmesan cheese taste on it.
Bon appetit.